Yes, everyone close your eyes. Sit properly. Yes, 1 minute. We will do a meditation. Those who open your eyes, they are cheaters. You should not open your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Okay, yes, everyone, open your eyes. It's very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, anyone, can you recall our previous class? What we discussed in our previous class? Just raise your hand. I'll give unmute option. Yes, Sri Harshni and Varshni. Okay. Okay, Nana, very good. Yes, you can.
Teacher, livers and stomach, teacher.
Stomach. That is not last class. That is
Teacher.
before. That is, oh, yes, yes. Can you repeat once
Kidney.
again?
Kidney, teacher.
Yes, can you tell a few words on kidney?
టీచర్ కిడ్నీలో చాలా మిలిటరీ ఉంటుంది టీచర్ కిడ్నీ
Okay, kidneys acts in our body like a filters. Filter laga work chestundi. Okay, very good. Harshini and Varshini. Next, Srinish. Yes, Nana. Unmute yourself. Yes, Srinish.
టీచర్
Yes. What we discussed in previous classes.
టీచర్ లివర్ గురించి కిడ్నీ గురించి
Yes, can you tell a few words about liver?
టీచర్ స్టమక్ కూడా
Yes, stomach. You can tell a few words on a stomach or liver or kidney. Anything. Whatever you know, you just.
టీచర్ స్టమక్ లో మొత్తం జ్యూస్ ఉంటుంది టీచర్
Okay, okay. Enzymes. That chemicals are called enzymes. Is with the help of that enzymes only the food will be digest. Okay, good. Next.
టీచర్ స్టమక్ కిడ్నీ పైన ఉంటుంది టీచర్
Okay. Next. Inka. Yes. Can you tell the function of liver? No. Okay. We will give chance to. Good. Good, Srinesh. Next, Farha, do you want to tell something? Yes, what we discussed in last class.
కిడ్నీ స్టమక్ లివర్
Okay. Yes. Can you tell the function of any organ? Okay. Next, Vedasri, can you please unmute Nana?
yes teacher
Yes. Yes. Liver. Can you tell a few words about liver?
టీచర్ లివర్ చాలా హెవీగా ఉంటుంది టీచర్
Yes, heavy. Yes, very good. It is the heaviest and largest organ in our body. Yes, very good. Next.
మళ్ళీ టూ పైప్స్ ఉంటాయి టీచర్
Yes, can you repeat once again?
దానికి 2 pipes ఉంటాయి attach.
No, that is kidneys. In kidneys, we discussed that. Okay. About liver, liver produces one juice. Anyone can tell that what is? Yes. Anyone can you tell what is that juice? Liver produces one juice. That juice helps in digestion. Anyone can? If you know, you just raise the hand. Okay, Sai Nikhil, very good. Yes, Nana.
Teacher, enzymes.
Enzymes is a different types of chemicals that are present in our stomach. That juice produced by liver. Okay, liver produce చేస్తుంది. Liver తయారు చేస్తుంది ఆ జ్యూస్ ని. ఆ జ్యూస్ మన ఫుడ్ డైజెస్ట్ అవ్వడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. Yes, can you tell? Anyone? Ram Sai, are you searching for concept book? Yes, Ram Sai, unmute Nana. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, Ram Sai, unmute yourself, Nana.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Nana. Can you tell what is that juice? That juice produced by liver. If you know, you just tell me. If you don't know, good. I will explain. Okay, Deepthi, she want to tell. Okay, Deepthi, unmute yourself, Nana.
Stomach.
Okay, I will explain. Okay, liver produces a bile juice. B-I-L-E, bile juice. Okay, liver is the largest and heaviest organ in our body. Liver produces a bile juice. That bile juice helps in digestion. Okay, it helps in digestion of our food. Enzymes are nothing but in our stomach, different chemicals are there. That all chemicals we are calling that enzymes. With the help of enzymes only, what we are eating, that food will be digested. Okay. Yes, everyone, are you clear about our first chapter? Yes, till now we have, by today class, we will complete our first chapter. Nana. First, in the first chapter, we have, yes, everyone open your concept books first. Everyone open your concept books. Yes, everyone show your concept books, Nana. Yes, everyone. I want to see everyone concept books. Okay, very good. Pranav, sit in one place. Okay, very good, Krishna. Gatra Tanmay, can you show your concept book? Okay, Ram Sai, good. And yes, everyone open, take out page number 9. That is our first lesson. Okay, yes, everyone, are you? Okay, are you ready? Yes. Page number 9, we have learned about organs and types of organs. Yes, anyone can tell how many types or organs are there? Anyone? Okay. Virat Vaibhav.
Teacher, 5.
I'm not asking about a sense organs. I'm asking about types of organs.
Teacher, 2 types.
Okay. Can you tell what are that?
Dhammalakshmi. Internal Lakshmi, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Pavani Lakshmi, Can you tell what are the two types of organs?
Teacher,
Yes, Nana. మన బాడీలో ఎన్ని టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? No? Okay, next, Sriram. Can you?
yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Yes, tell how many types of organs are there? The organs are
Two
divided.
types of organs.
Yes, what are the two types?
Internal.
Yes, next. Internal.
External.
Okay, can you give explanation of internal organs? Internal organs.
Eyes, nose, ears.
Internal organs. Okay, Vedasri, can you?
Heart, lungs.
I want explanation. Internal organs means I have explained that definition or line, meaning of internal.
Organs such as lungs, heart, lungs, brain, stomach, liver, and examples of
No. Internal organs. The organs which we cannot see and which we cannot touch. That type of organs are called internal organs. Okay? Which we cannot touch directly and which we cannot see directly. That organs are called internal organs. If I'll ask example of internal organs, you have to tell heart, lungs, stomach, whatever. Okay, I'm asking here the meaning of external and the meaning of internal organs. External means external, the organs which we can see directly and which we can touch directly, that organs are called external organs. If I'll ask examples, please can you give example for external means you have to give eyes, nose and everything. Okay, is everyone? I got everyone who got the internal and external. Okay. Okay, just turn the page now. Page number 10. Yes, everyone, have you completed page number 2 activities? Page number 10 here. Yes, very good. Page number, in this page number 10, we have 2 activities. I have explained this activity in our previous classes. And in a page number 11, yes, heart. Anyone can tell about heart? Just raise the hand. Okay, Ram Sai.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Just tell a few words on heart. Don't see in a concept book, Nana. Whatever you know, you just tell me.
Heart గురించి teacher. Heart గురించి.
We have less time, Nana.
Okay, teacher.
If you know, if you don't know, you just. Yes, Rinish, you can unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Nana.
Teacher, heart ke 2 pipes joined ఉంటాయి teacher.
Yes, not pipes, blood vessels. Okay.
Vein.
Vein. Okay, very good.
వేస్ట్ బ్లడ్ అని తీసేసుకొనిద్ది టీచర్.
Okay, okay, very good.
అతరేమో హార్ట్ లోంచి కొత్త బ్లడ్ ఇచ్చిద్ది టీచర్ ప్రతి పార్ట్ కి.
Very good, Srinesh, very good. As next, and one more point. If you know, you just turn.
టీచర్ హార్ట్ లంగ్స్ కింద ఉంటుంది టీచర్.
Okay, very good. Can you tell the size of her heart?
టీచర్ రైట్.
Size.
టీచర్ ఎంత చిన్నగా.
Yes, very good. Yes, our heart size is, we can measure with our fist. Okay, fist. This is fist. Okay, very good. Very good, Srinish. Next, in page number 11, we have learned about brain, stomach, and liver. Yes, anyone, can you explain about brain? Who want to? Okay, Sri, Harshni, Varshni, they want a chance. Sukrut, sit in one place, Nana.
Teacher, brain is our master of body, teacher.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Now, next. In a brain, yes.
Brain is located in forehead, teacher.
Okay, okay, little bit correct. Okay, next. In a brain, we have a different parts. Okay, the different parts controls different functions. Okay, if we learn some functions like standing, jumping, moving, that are controlled one of the part of our brain. Okay, in previous class, I have explained about the brain in detail. Okay, and next, Deepthi, can you explain about a stomach?
Teacher.
Okay, we are getting noise from. Okay, Sai Suraj, can you? Please, can you explain this about stomach? Okay. Gatra Tanmay, can you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Nana, please, can you explain?
బ్రెయిన్ గురించా టీచర్?
Stomach.
టీచర్, మనం తినే ఫుడ్ స్టమక్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది టీచర్. స్టమక్ టీచర్. టీచర్, మన స్టమక్ లో మన తిన్న ఫుడ్ ని కొద్దిగా సేపు ఉంచుకొని బయటికి వదిలేస్తుంది టీచర్. మన స్టమక్ లో కెమికల్ ఉంటుంది టీచర్.
Different enzymes will be present in our stomach. Very good. Yes, what we are eating, that food will be present for some time in our stomach. After some time, what we are eating, that food will be converted from complex to simpler form. Okay, very good, Nana. Don't touch the screen. Sri Ram. Welcome to our class. 4th grade. Science. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, My Body Organs, practice zone 1, questions and answers. What is the function? What is the function of a rib cage? Okay. The function of a rib cage is to protect our lungs, which are placed in the chest cavity. In the chest cavity. In the chest cavity. How many types of blood vessels are there in our body? There are 2 types of blood vessels present in our body.